If we look at the question here, it says, international tourism has brought enormous benefit to many places. At the same time, there is concern about its impact on local inhabitants in the environment. Do the disadvantages of international tourism outweigh the advantages? So this question has two parts. The first part is the benefit brought to many places, and then you've got the negative aspects on local inhabitants and the environment. In order to answer this question correctly and to get the highest marks possible, you need to address both aspects, the positive and the negative. And then for this question, at the end, give your opinion. So you're looking at basically 4 paragraphs probably. An introduction to the issue. Then paragraph 1 might be the advantages to a place, and paragraph 2 might be the disadvantages to local inhabitants and the environment. And finally, a conclusion stating your own opinion on this. Again, to get a good grade, you need to think about the 4 criteria, task response, answering the question. Cohesion and coherence, which is how clear your writing is it in paragraphs, are there a range of linking words? Vocabulary, is there a wide range? Is it correctly used? And also then grammar. Have you got a wide range of grammar, and is it mostly correct? Are you using complex sentence structures? So let's have a look at the candidate's response. So as you can see from this answer, we've got 4 paragraphs. The first paragraph is addressing the question. The second paragraph looks at the advantages. The third paragraph looks at the disadvantages, and the fourth paragraph gives an opinion. So they've answered the question well. They've answered all parts. Now if we look a little bit closer at how clear this writing is. So first of all, they've got clear paragraphs with a central topic in each paragraph. The second paragraph, as I said, is talking about advantages. It says tourism has many advantages, and it goes on to give them. It can play a part in the country's economy. It also talks about non-monetary advantages, bringing people and cultures closer together. So its paragraph use is good. It also has a range of connecting words. They use if, they use and, they use also, they use however. This candidate has a good range of vocabulary and collocations. Collocations are words that are commonly found together. Recreational activity. Play a tremendous part, play a part. Rate of exchange, monetary advantages, destroy a culture, adhere to a belief. These show a good range of collocation. The candidate's grammar is fairly well controlled for accuracy, which means that a lot of sentences are correct. The candidate has addressed both aspects of the task, the advantages and the disadvantages. The candidate presents a clear position throughout and concludes saying that they think the advantages outweigh the disadvantages. Overall, it's well organised. The paragraphs are well structured. There's a range of connectors, linking devices, although the examiner says there could be more. There's a good range of vocabulary, although there are some inappropriate words. For example, in paragraph 3, they use deviate a culture, which is not appropriate. Also, there's a range of sentence structure, though there are still some minor errors, and punctuation is not helpful. So overall, it's clear, well organised, answers the task well, has a range of connectors and vocabulary and grammar, mostly used correctly. So it's a 7.